Both tablets are running off MediaTek's MT8321 quad-core chipsets with 1GB of RAM on board. It seemed like an okay experience in our short testing time, but don't expect these tablets to handle high-end games or lots of apps running at the same time. We'll be sure to put both versions through their paces in time for our full review to see just how much they can handle. If you're planning to use your new tablet as a media machine, you'll likely be disappointed to learn the One T7 comes with 8GB of storage, 4GB after software, and the One T10 comes with 16GB, 11GB to use after software. That's not enough for most tablet users, so if you want one of these we'll likely recommend putting in a microSD card. Both tablets are compatible with cards up to 128GB. If you're interested in the camera tech, there's a 2MP rear and VGA front camera on this smaller tablet, while the larger one comes with a 5MP sensor on both sides of the slate. Perhaps one of the most surprising things about these tablets is that they're running Android 8.1 Oreo software right out of the box. Whether Alcatel will manage to keep them up to date with software upgrades in the future remains to be seen, but it's great to have the latest software already running on here. The Alcatel One T7 comes with a 2580 mAh battery while the One T10 comes with a 4000 mAh cell. We won't know just how long the battery life on the tablets lasts, however, until we get time to try them out for our full review.